Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Photos to Canva. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Canva application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up one of my designs in Canva. I'm just going to pick a random design here. For example, this untitled design. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can connect the Google Photos to Canva. Okay, we can go to the Canva apps right here. You can go to apps and you're going to scroll down until you find the Google Photos. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, you can scroll down guys and you can select this Google Photos. But if this Google Photos hasn't appeared here, you can go to the search bar and then you can search for Google Photos. Just type in Google Photos. Okay, and you will be able to add the Google Photos to the Canva. I'm just going to select Google Photos like this and I'm going to click on open. Okay, here's the way to connect the Google Photos to Canva. Okay, and this is my Google account and you can use the account you have logged into Canva, or you can continue with another account. I'm just going to continue with this account. I have logged into Canva with this account, so I'm going to connect it to my Canva. Okay, just click on continue and I'm going to click on continue again. Alright, and now it's still loading. Okay. I'm going to click on the checkbox and click on continue. Alright, and now my Google Photos has been connected to Canva and I will be able to add photos from my Google Photos to Canva. Okay. Anytime you want to get a photo from your Google Photos, just go to the Google Photos and you will be able to access your photos from the Google Photos. Okay guys, and that's all the way to connect Google Photos to Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.